How to cleanse yourself with the use of alligator pepper. It is right to cleanse and do away with bad spirits from your body. And do the cleansing each day after mingling with humans of different spirits. Every person has bad spirits that follow them around, and for you not to contact such spirits, you have to be doing spiritual cleansing to do away with them from manipulating you. Take alligator pepper to your back and open it. You don't have to see it while opening it, as a sign of respect. Then take out 4 seeds. With the use of your right hand and touch them all over your body, rejecting any negativity of the day. Take it round your head in an anti-clockwise course 4 times, and say you're eliminating bad luck, stagnation, disappointment, issues of any type, or untimely loss of life. Touch it throughout your body and throw it away outdoors. Then take 7 seeds and put them in your mouth and talk positivity and greatness into your day. Tell God how you want your day to be. Pray for life, pray for breakthrough, pray for connections, pray for help, and pray for your loved ones too. Inform God to bless you with more than you asked for. Let God and the universe give you enough to even assist humans around you. Alligator seeds don't go a shameful journey. After praying, you can swallow it or throw it out depending on what your spirit wants. If you are a business owner and you do not make income, as you get on your store, chew 7 seeds of alligator pepper together with bitter cola and make them touch your store name and command customers from the 4 corners of the earth to locate your enterprise and patronize you. Throw it out after and rinse your mouth with water. When you purchase alligator pepper newly, you need to peel it open with your fingers, but before doing that you need to take it behind your back and you must not see it even as you are opening it. After opening it, you can now bring it in your front. +2 3 4 8 0 3 0 4 0 5 8 0 3.
Do you regularly forget your desires? It is very bad to forget your dream, or not to dream at all. You may forget your blessings in case you usually forget your dreams, because before blessings appear physically, they have already taken place in the spirit world. Please, if you do forget your dreams, or not dreaming at all, get those items: sand leaves, alligator pepper. Technique: squeeze the sand leaves to bring out water from it. Get 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Get your bathing water. Pour the water you squeezed out from the sand leaves into your bathing water. Put the 7 alligator pepper into the bathing water. Talk into the water with an authoritative voice, then enter the bathroom. Do not wipe your body, allow the water to dry on you. Do this for 3 days and come for testimony. Your desires are so critical. Whenever you have an awful dream, use a native egg to cleanse yourself. Whilst doing so, pray that each terrible dream you've got be aborted. The local egg is so effective. You do not need to lack native eggs in your house. There are a lot of ways to use local eggs for fantastic effects, and it really works like magic. Do you realize that doing egg cleansing can eliminate death put on you by your enemies? I use egg cleansing maximum each day with my own family, even my newborn. It is to show you that egg cleaning is very powerful and really useful in every human life. Chinoza Ikioma. +2 3 4 8 0 3 4 0 5 8 0 3.